Please subscribe and press the like button and bell icon. You can share this YouTube video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Welcome back. Lesson 9. What's the number? What will you learn? Learn Arabic numbers from 1 to 10. How to read numbers such as postal codes and phone numbers. Let's move on. Lesson 9. What's the number? Hassan. واحد واحد اثنان 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 ثلاثة Lesson 9. What's the number? Hassan. واحد 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 اثنان 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 ثلاثة 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 أربعة 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 خمسة 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 ستة 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 سبعة 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 ثمانية 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 تسعة 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 عشرة 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 Let's read with the numbers. واحد واحد اثنان اثنان ثلاثة ثلاثة أربعة أربعة خمسة خمسة ستة ستة سبعة سبعة ثمانية ثمانية تسعة تسعة عشرة عشرة واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة عشرة Now it's your turn. Just write Arabic. Usage of the phrase. Practice writing the Arabic numbers, play around and mix the numbers and say out loud the Arabic numbers. Question: how do I say Arabic numbers such as postal numbers and phone numbers? To say in Arabic phone numbers, postal numbers or house numbers, you have to read it from the left to the right. From the left to the right. Below are some examples. Postal numbers. You have to read it from the left to the right. أربعة صفر صفر خمسة. I repeat again. أربعة صفر صفر خمسة. Phone numbers 829531119 ثمانية تسعة ثمانية اثنان Phone number 829531119 ثمانية اثنان تسعة خمسة ثلاثة واحد تسعة. Let's read with me. ثمانية اثنان تسعة خمسة ثلاثة واحد تسعة. Alright, that's good. Apartment number 267 اثنان ستة سبعة. I repeat again. اثنان ستة سبعة. Let's read with me. اثنان ستة سبعة. Arabic words and sentence usually written and read from left to right. However, when it comes to numbers, it is written and read from the right to the left. However, counting numbers will be different. We will discuss the numbering from 100 to 1000 in detail later on the next series. Learn Arabic too. Mi'ah, 100. Mi'ah. Mi'ah. Alif.